Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete a bank account from Coinbase in your Android or iOS. So here I go into this process. I go to do this process in Android Advice. So the first step is the first thing you need to know is I don't have a Coinbase account, but I have some screenshots, some photos of the process in a Spanish account. So I go to translate all the process, and that's it. The first step is go to the Coinbase account, and the first page, the principal page of the app. You need to go to the superior left corner, and here in these three lines you need to pick here. And after that, you need to go to your profile. Here set perfil y configuraciones. This is profile and settings. You need to pick here. And after that, you need to go to the method of pay. Here set métodos de pago. This is a method of pay in English. And you pick here, and you pick in eliminar. This is a delete. You can delete your method of pay, your bank account. And after that, you can agree other bank account. You can change this bank account if you want. But if the only thing you want to do is delete the account, the only thing you need to do is pick here in delete and eliminar. Delete. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.